Hello teams! This is your how to complete your math stations for Unit 3 math stations. So the first thing you're going to do is your team captain is going to share their screen and play this video. You may have to play it on your computer as well. Here's where you find Station 1 material. I'm on Google Classroom and I'm on Classwork. I'm looking for the heading Math Stations and the Unit 3 Math Stations. I'm going to click on that, and this is Station 1, so I'm going to click on the Station 1 file. Here are your directions. First, your team captains will share their screen. Everyone's going to go to Google Classroom and open Station 1. I just showed you the directions. Team captains are going to play the video that will be right here. You can pull it up and play it as well. Then you will begin your assignment in Station 1. Let me show you what you're doing on Station 1. This is the gift tag sort. So you're going to drag and drop each gift tag. The gift tags will be right here on the right to the correct gift by finding the value. Let me model one. So this says 1 1/10 by times something equals 1,100. Well, remember I can figure this out by counting how many times that decimal has slid over. So it was here between the 1 and the 1. It slid over 1, 2, 3 times. So which one has 3 zeros? 1,000 does. So I would just move it here. Now you have, I believe, about 8 or 9 more here, maybe 7 more. And then you're going to go to the second file. And it's the same thing, except it is for exponents and powers of 10. So 10 to the third power, remember that's 10 times 10 times 10, which equals 1,000. 10 to the first power is just 10. 10 to the second power is 10 times 10, which is 100. And 10 to the fourth power is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10,000. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to figure out how many times that decimal has slid over. Remember, the exponent tells you how many times. So 1, 2, 3, so 10 to the third power. Okay? You're going to continue until there are no more tags here. If you have questions, you can ask your team captain. They can help you. However, the team captain will not give you the answers. And yes, you must be working the entire time, because at the end of this, your team captain will fill out a reflection to let me know how you did in this math station. It is my expectation that your camera is on. You are working the entire time and that you are being appropriate. If you are not, your team captain will notify me. So when everyone is finished, team captains, they need to fill out the exit ticket. So here they're going to type in their level of understanding. They can just type 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Here they're going to tell me what they have mastered based on this skill, not fishing or playing soccer. What have you mastered? And what do you still need help with based on what you did in this math station? Okay? Then when you're all done, your team captain's going to remind you how to go back to the assignment and turn it in. When everyone's finished, you are going to go to this Flipgrid link. I'm going to highlight it, copy it, and paste it. You're going to join with Google, and you're going to complete a Flipgrid to tell me what you learned at this center. Make sure to tell me your station number. So you would say, I attended Station 1 today. I learned how to. Tell me what you learned how to do, okay? I hope you have fun. Please make sure you're making appropriate choices and that you're working. Remember, your camera is on the entire time. Thank you.